Good to be here.
Lots of calls, so let's get right to them. We will start with Dorothy in Muscadet. Hi, Dorothy.
Hello.
Hi, which question?
We have a 4-year-old neutered female cat, and I have a covered litter box. And when she goes to use the litter box, she goes in and leaves her backside hang out and pee. And the ones with no cover, she leaves herself hang over the side. What can I do to, without scaring her away from the litter box?
Yeah, that's a kind of a tough one. I've run into it before too, and you have to use a little ingenuity. Put another one beside it, or make it big enough that she's got room enough to be not hanging over her. If she's hanging over intentionally and she used to hit the box all the time, it may be that she's got a little infection or something going on. If something has changed, she should be checked out. But if it's just the way she's been, you just have to be smarter than the cat.
But check it out medically too.
Well, yes,
especially with a neutered.
Especially any cat that misses the litter box that didn't miss it before. There's usually a reason for that.
Get that first, and if that's okay, then maybe another side panel or something. I don't know. All right, Sherry in Janesville. Yes, Sherry, go ahead with your question.
We're getting a new puppy, and they had the puppy checked, and the veterinarian told the owner that she has a small hernia, umbilical hernia, and that it's nothing to be really concerned about. But I was just wondering what your thoughts are on that.
I agree. It's nothing to worry about if it's small. If they're big enough, intestine could get down there and get strangulated as the puppy grows. But lots of animals, both dogs, cats, cows, horses, everyone gets umbilical hernias. And if they're small enough, you'll have a bump there, but nothing to worry about. A lot of dogs, when they're spayed or neutered, we would repair the hernia just so they don't have the bump. Yeah,
that's what happened. Both of my dogs had it too, and when they were fixed, it got fixed.
Right.
So there you go.
It's an easy thing to fix.
Jerry, go ahead with your question.
Yes, I have a cat that's got dry skin on the middle of its back, just up from the tail, and it looks like dandruff, and if you scratch it, it bothers her. And somebody told me you could put olive oil on that. Is that true?
You could. I don't know that it will do any good. A lot of people try lots of different things, but if there is a patch of itchy skin and scaliness above the tail, there's something wrong, generally, and you might need a little
what could be wrong?
Testing. Well, the number one place for flea allergy to show up is a crusty, scaly, hairless spot above the tail. Other allergies show up that way too. Hormone problems can do that in cats. Neutered males sometimes will lose their hair in that area. Once in a while a female cat will too. So there's hormones, there's parasites, there's allergies, there's lots of possibilities.
Something to get checked out.
Yeah.
Not olive oil.
It's not going to cure it.
All right, Jenny in Richland Center. Hi, Jenny, what's your question? Jenny, you there?
I have a question. I have a 6-year-old boxer, and he's suddenly decided to...
Hello?
Who suddenly decided to use the restroom, the kennel, as his bathroom.
Okay.
Urine and stool, or just urine, or just stool?
Just urine, and we've had some family changes.
Yeah. Well, a dog that's been kennel trained to start going in the kennel, especially a boxer, a big dog like that, I'd be worried that there's an infection or some other abnormality that makes him make so much urine that he can't hold it to get out. So
they don't want to mess in their own spot, so there's something probably wrong.
Yeah, almost always in that case there's a reason for it.
Get that checked out.